Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Thanks for getting the ball, kid. Throw it back. Stealing my golf ball. No, hold on. We might actually need these other people. Here, bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Hey, Deacon! You hear that? Not your brothers and sisters. These are good people. And they're with me, right, guys?
Somebody shut this guy up.
That all you got? Not on my info. Nobody tells me to shut up.
Shut up. All right, where was I?
Brothers and sisters!
Yeah, thanks. You're so helpful. Go. Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. Now, he told me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. That's right, my flock. Dry land. We're gonna pave it and drive it and tax it and tide it, use it and cruise it, fill it and drill it, and build an 18-hole golf course for my beloved son.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I will bet you. Neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner. Boys, shut those gates. The Mariner. Let's see now, you mean the half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours? The one that poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that who you mean?
Just bring me the girl. So, Helen, let's talk. Can I offer you?
No thanks.
You are all kinds of feisty, aren't you? You like to play games, don't you? Come on now, let's play. Watch her. What do we got up there, boys?
We got an 8-holer, and he's got dirt.
He's got dirt. See, I need to know the way to dry land. So the game is the first one who talks lives.
No, you leave him alone. Please, he doesn't know anything.
Looks like we got a winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
And a loser. Drop it.
No!
Game time is over, Helen. You're gonna tell me the way to dry land, or you're next. So shoot him. Start talking. Go! What do you mean, don't? Are you all right? Helen, what are you doing with the fish, boy? He's not your kind. Chuck, let's fillet the flounder, shall we? All right, we got a runner. Whoa, not the girl. We want the girl. Come on. You can just come out, Mariner. We'll talk it over. I'm empty. Find me another weapon. You're not going to ruin my plans for dry land. You're just a gill-necked, mutated freak. Weapon, I need a weapon.
Hey, boss, how about this?
Look out. Keep your head on the swivel, Chuck. That Mariner is slipperier than a pocket full of pudding, I tell you what. Come on. Me and you, man versus fish.
Now go! Ah! There's something on your face! There's something on the face! Hey, brother. I think you got it.
Helen?
Ah!
There was something on your back. How was he still alive? Chuck, get up there and finish him, then signal my plane. I'm gonna blow this place sky high. I'll handle the mutants. Do your job. I need something with a little more kick. Ask and you shall see. Hey, Mariner! Try this on your size. Do me a favor and stand in one spot. I'm getting closer. You're using Chuck as a shield. I never liked Chuck. Shut up! Poor Helen. He's gone, honey. He is gone. And a single tear rolls down my cheek.
Oh, let go of me!
Boys, signal my seaplane! Boys! Looks like my men are dead. So is your boyfriend. Let's get out of here. See the ladder? Start climbing.
No!
My gun says yes. Wait a minute now. I have a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to dry land. That's husband and wife. What do you say, Helen? I think I'm gonna want kids. Yeah, we'll have lots of kids. Come here, sugar. It's okay, I can be nice. Come on over, I'll show you. Give me a big kiss, honey.
Sure.
You! I don't think so. Call me Deacon. Come on. Good idea, go pal. We got a plane to catch. All right, boys. Send him a plane. That's it, you see me. That's it. This way. It's time to decide the fate of the new world. This belongs to man or fish.
Now, up on the boat.
He won't get far. Want to put a hole in your little boat. You're coming with me. What? You're out? No, why won't you die? Let go! What? Look at me. You made me hit my seaplane. Hold on, boys. Hold on, now you're coming in too low. Mariner, that plane was my way out of here. Nevertheless, I got you, woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. No! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny. What? I'm hit!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the Mariner rules the 4.0